Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Sigma mystery bag or box to show you. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so today I just received my Sigma beauty box on Ipsy's store. They have a few different Ipsy bags that are mystery bags. Now they do have their own Ipsy mystery bags, but they also had a few that were not Ipsy. This came directly from Sigma. So this is a Sigma beauty mystery and it was $30. On Ipsy's site, and it came directly from Sigma. I've already done a pure, and there was another one that I did that I wasn't too happy with. But let's go ahead and see what we have in the Sigma one. All right, let me get my handy dandy knife. Okay, so let's go ahead and get in here. Ooh, Sigma, all nice and black. So right on top, they put in a little pamphlet and it shows some brushes. I'm sure this is not what we're getting. No, this is just kind of an overview of what they have on their website to purchase. So that's kind of cool. If you're ever looking for something, it goes over all of the brushes and ooh, that's so neat. They actually tell you what they're for and what the numbers are. So I'm definitely going to hang on to this because their brushes are really good. And this tells me what they are, what numbers they are, all of that good stuff. So this is going to be a really good reference for me. So I'm definitely going to hang on to this. And it has tissue paper and it has a little sticker that says Sigma. How cute. Let's get this opened. Alrighty. So this must be the mystery bundle right here. There is a sample of the brush shampoo in here to wash your brushes. So that's really cool. They came with that, and that is everything in there. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. This is the Sigma Deluxe Mystery Haul. And it actually goes over all of the products on the card. How cute is that? All right, so let's go ahead and here is this the same brush shampoo. It's a different packaging, but this is the same brush shampoo. Sig Magic brush shampoo sample, $15 full size value. So the full size of this is $15. So now I have 2 samples of that to try out to clean my brushes. Next we have is this right here. And this is the Sigma Aura Powder Blush. Ooh, Lady Slipper, $13 value. That's really cool that it has the values. It's kind of like our subscription boxes. Lady Slipper. Let's get this opened. So there's the back of it with the color. There is the front of the packaging. And inside, it is like looks almost like a lavender pink color. Let's go ahead and swatch this. I don't have a whole lot of blushes, so I'll go ahead and add this to my collection. You can kind of see, let me add a little bit more there. There's that. I still have some on my finger. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, so we have a blush. There's that. And again, there's the color right there. Okay, so next we have is a loose shimmer professional makeup collection. So if this is a loose powder, I will definitely put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys. Loose shimmer value, Lush, $8. Your beauty possibilities are endless with this searing hot pink sparkling loose shimmer pigment. Wear in your eyes, lips, face, body, even nails and hair. Wow. And on the description of the blush, it says add dimension and color to your face with this perfectly pigmented pressed powder in the shade Lady Slipper, a soft and opaque, cool, light pink. So now here's the packaging of the loose shimmer, and there is the color. It says that it was a pink, a shearing hot pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. Oops. And there's the inside, so you can see the color. All right, so that will go to one of you. Next we have is a brow pencil professional makeup collection, Sigma. This is the dual-ended brow pencil valued at $8. Customize your brow color using both sides of the pencil to create hair-like strokes darkened towards the tail of your eyebrow for a natural effect. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh. All right, so there is the double-ended. The medium looks a little too light for me, so I might put this in a giveaway. I'm not going to swatch this, but let me take it off so you can see. That's the dark. And I'm very picky with my brow products because I like it to match my hair, and that's definitely too light. So I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway as well. Next we have is a lip base. It's pretty packaging. Uh-oh, it looks red. That's gonna go to one of you guys too. Lip base. This is valued at $8. This multitasking lip pencil can be used as a base for color layering, or it can be used worn alone for a bold orange red matte finish. You want to be stubborn? I'll go open the other and I'll push you out. Thunder. And my dog hates thunder. Ooh, that is definitely an orangish red color, you guys. Look at that. Here comes the rain. All right, so that will definitely go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. No problem. One of you guys can enjoy it and play with that. Oh, now I can close the other end. Then the last item in here is a brush. And it says Duo Fiber Powder Blush. Oh, so it can be for powder or for blush. Let's see. There is what that looks like. This says achieve a dreamy natural wash of light or highlight with the super soft Sigma Tech Duo Fiber Brush. Use with any type of powder, including mineral formulas. Okay. So that's cool. I will definitely add that to my collection because I'm starting to try to do different things now. So I will go ahead and set that aside. So I'm excited about this and the blush, which this is valued at $22 and this is valued at $13. So that is $35 and I paid $30 for the entire thing. So I'm getting my value, and one of you guys can enjoy the brow product, the lip product, and the loose shimmer. And since I got two of these brush cleaner sets, I can put one of those in with that stuff as well. So that's cool. So what do you guys think? Do you think this was worth the $30? Again, this is definitely worth the $30. This is $35 in itself. So I do think that it is a good value. That's the thing about mystery bags or mystery boxes. You never know what you're going to get, but it's always way better value, so you get more bang for your buck. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction with me means the world. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate that, so then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. Oh, and if you guys want to see the pure mystery bag and the other one that I got, and then the Ipsy one, go check out my channel if you want to check out those. So thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye.